Have you ever watched a panda? It spends most of its life eating, sleeping, and doing nothing. Or a sloth, hanging on a tree, moving so slowly it almost feels like time doesn't exist. It looks peaceful. It looks comfortable. But here's the truth. A lot of people are living exactly like this. Not because they have to, but because they've chosen comfort over growth. You wake up in the morning. The first thing you do is grab your phone. You scroll and scroll and scroll. You tell yourself, I'll start later. But later never comes. Hours pass. Days pass. Weeks pass. And deep inside, you know something is wrong. You're not moving forward. You're just stuck. Now think about it. A panda has no dreams. A sloth has no goals. They are just surviving. But you have dreams. You want success. You want freedom. You want a better life. But your actions? They look exactly the same. Doing nothing. Waiting for the right time. Avoiding the work. So tell me, what's the difference between you and them? And one day, this will hit you. Not today. Not tomorrow. But someday in the future. You'll sit alone. And you'll look back at your life. You'll realize you had time. You had energy. You had opportunities. But you wasted it. Not because you couldn't do it. But because you didn't. And that feeling. That regret. I could have done more. That is the heaviest pain you will ever feel. But here's the good news. You can still change this. Right now. Not tomorrow. Right now. The reason you feel lazy is not because you're weak. It's because everything feels too big. Too overwhelming. So your brain chooses the easy way out. Avoid it. Delay it. Escape from it. So here's what you need to do. Start small. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. That never works. Break your work into small pieces. Instead of saying, I'll work for 5 hours. Say, I'll work for 20 minutes. That's it. Just 20 minutes. Anyone can do that. And once you start, it becomes easier to continue. Second, use the 5-second rule. The moment your brain says, do it later, you count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you move. No thinking. No excuses. Because the longer you think, the more your brain will stop you. Action is the only cure. Third, remove distractions. You're not lazy. You're distracted. Your phone. Social media. Endless scrolling. It's stealing your time. So control your environment. Put your phone away. Sit in a clean place. Make it easy to focus. Because focus creates momentum. Fourth, stop depending on motivation. Motivation is temporary. Some days you feel like working. Most days you don't. That's normal. But discipline. Discipline means you do it anyway. Even when you're tired. Even when you don't feel like it. That's what separates winners from everyone else. And finally, give yourself 30 days. Just 30 days of discipline. No excuses. Show up every single day. Even if it's a small effort. Because small effort done daily becomes a big result. And after 30 days, you won't be the same person anymore. Look at an ant. It's small. It's slow. But it never stops. It carries weight bigger than itself. Step by step. Again and again. No excuses. No waiting. Just work. That's the difference. Not talent. Not luck. Consistency. So now you have a choice. You can stay comfortable. Stay lazy. Stay stuck. Or, you can take control of your life. Start small. Stay consistent. And become someone you're proud of. Because at the end of your life, you won't regret working hard. You'll regret wasting time. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today.